for the chance to prove myself. Take the wheel, hit the gas, gonna raise some hell.
There's a hard-working fleet of trucks on our Australian roads, linking our regions, towns and cities. Their wheels turning keeps Australia moving. In our suburban and metro areas, there's an equally hard-working fleet of smaller trucks. When they do stop, it's typically for maintenance. And across Australia, there is an extensive network of diesel and commercial service workshops keeping these trucks on the road.
Hi, I'm Nathan Grant, General Manager of Ryco Commercial. Napa Auto Parts have a class-leading filtration category, and Ryco Filters Australia are proud to be part of this offering. With the current coverage across passenger, four-wheel drive and light commercial vehicles, your team will have seen plenty of Ryco filters in stock. Today, I'm excited to report that the Ryco filters at Napa are going to get a lot bigger. We're expanding the filter offering with over 220 new stock lines, supporting popular Japanese, North American and European trucks. This commercial program kicked off in late 2020 with the Ryco product management and GPC category team putting filtration under the microscope. Together, we identified a gap mostly around Japanese trucks and an opportunity to expand into this market with Ryco commercial filters. After carefully selecting a best fit range for the new program, we linked over 8,000 applications to the ProLink system. The filters have now been dispatched to DCs and are on their way to Napa stores nationally. The range we selected supports commercial vehicles typically found in local councils, waste management services and various logistic and mixed fleet operations. It's important that your team members know about the expanded coverage. They can now support accounts from passenger vehicles through to Japanese trucks. And they can now support those customers servicing the North American and European truck market.
Commercially, this coverage opens the door to an impressive target market. Based on research conducted in 2020, we identified over 76,000 businesses in Australia that have over 600,000 trucks registered on our roads. Around 30% are involved in transport, but the bulk of the fleet are in mixed or non-freight operations. With over 728 truck dealerships across Australia, the bulk of these are also offering services to other truck brands. Outside of their own OE filter program, these dealers must source filters to suit the other trucks they maintain. Napa's competitive advantage of scale, reach, and ability to service multi-site operations, both nationally and regionally, puts Napa in a great position to win these accounts.
The new coverage is a great conversation starter and will lead to opportunities in other product groups.
There are 537 councils in Australia, and many utilise procurement businesses such as Local Buy. This is another opportunity where the Ryco team can work alongside the Napa sales managers in preparation of tenders. A typical council is maintaining a mixed fleet of vehicles, anywhere from 100 to 500 assets, from passenger and four-wheel drive to small truck and agricultural. We also have over 2,700 waste management businesses in Australia. These trucks tend to be older and are constantly working. Maintenance is critical and access to parts and filtration for service is consistent. With the added Ryco range, Napa is now a true destination point for filtration.
Each Napa parts site will be receiving a full range of Ryco commercial products. A total of 184 new oil, air, fuel and cabin filters will be arriving on the shelves. This range is targeted at commercial trucks with Japanese, North American and European applications. Beside the individual filters, we also provide the convenience of a single part number service kit with 25 kits suited to Japanese truck and 12 heavy commercial kits to suit Cat, Cummins, Detroit and Mack applications.
When it comes to air filtration for these bigger trucks, Here is a great example where the Ryco product not only meets but exceeds the OE specification. On two extremely popular air filters that suit Kenworth and Mack applications, our engineers increased the seal height to ensure optimal clamp load on the end cap. This is a critical component to the air filter, and a poorly sealed end cap could easily lead to a failed engine. The selection of Ryco HDA filters have been carefully chosen to match the available service kits and therefore provide a family of filters for your customer to complete the required service. Keep in mind, these North American trucks are typically deployed on long freight routes and can be in for servicing every few weeks, resulting in constant replenishment orders.
It's also important to note that Ryco are here to support you and your customers with this new range. We provide modern video-based training across the entire Ryco product range, delivered through Napa Know-How. For technical support and product inquiries, our national sales team are on hand, while our web and digital platforms are available 24/7. To assist with the new truck range, we have state-based business development managers. They know the product and the needs of the general fleet, council and industrial accounts.
Before you plan a visit, have on hand a selection of our Japanese and heavy commercial countermats. These can be left with your customers, providing a visual on the coverage and application for their fleet of trucks. A detailed commercial service kit brochure is also available. During your conversation, you can easily identify a service kit to suit the trucks within their fleet. So take advantage of the Ryco commercial material during your next account visit. Our team are also available to review and complete a cross-reference of Ryco filters for your larger fleet clients. This is a great opportunity to start some new business conversations together.
From individual filters to complete service kits, the range is very competitive. And of course, you can be confident with your recommendation, as every filter is designed to meet or exceed the OE spec. We back that promise, having one of the only dedicated filtration labs based here in Melbourne. Our team of engineers ensures each product meets the required specifications across the key measure of efficiency, life and flow. Our engineers and product managers also strive to innovate, creating new products and solutions that make our customers' life easier. Our service kits are a great example, and you'll see one getting put together right here. Depending on the truck, every filter required to complete a lubrication service is included. It's all packaged in one box and listed under one part number. These Japanese truck kits even include a replacement sub-plug washer. This is a great value add and a point of difference between ourselves and our competitors. The Ryco team will continue to innovate, support and expand our truck filtration program. This year our Japanese truck coverage will reach 96%. Australia relies on its transport sector, and with a booming online delivery segment, these Japanese trucks are in high demand. So the Napa and Ryco commercial relationship is underway. We've got visibility on your system, inventory's arriving, and we've both got two very engaged sales teams. I look forward to growing the segment and seeing the opportunities come through our way. So I hope the video gave you guys some really good insights into the upcoming program, and I look forward to your Q&A coming up shortly. Thanks and talk soon. G'day guys, it's Nathan Grant, General Manager of the... It's going to be one of those days, guys. I was going to look at... Am I looking for the camera? Yeah. Yep. Okay. The class leading filtration category.
Do that again, but...
Sorry. I was like, bang, yeah. Entry range of North American, European service kits. Sorry guys, I get on a tangent to support you and your customers. Nailed it. It needs to be a, yeah, to wrap it up the... There's a bit around here? Right there. It's in there. Don't worry about it, Mez. Felt right. When you know it, it's like, done. Thank you.